chilling? Oh, so what's up right here, Nye? You got the tent right here, right? What is that?
My door tent.
That's your door tent?
It's called,
Okay, so is this like your little apartment or what?
Yes.
Oh, you got it made right here.
I'd be like, if someone's coming in and someone says, ding dong, I'll be like, who is this, Abdul? Oh, there's another tent.
Oh, somebody else has a tent set up?
Okay, well, hey, get up! Go! Go! Okay, let's go.
Wait, don't look at the cars.
I know!
Hey, I got a challenge for you guys. Listen up.
Yeah.
I got a challenge. We're going to have a gymnastics challenge right here on the beach, all right? So we're going to do some cartwheels. All right, who's going to go first with the cartwheel? All right, now let's get it. Cartwheel contest. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, look at her do the cartwheels. Oh, Janae, you're not going to be able to touch that. Nice one. Hey, do you think Janae can beat you?
Yeah.
You think she can beat you?
No.
All right, I'm going to give you a 10 on that one. All right, Janae, over here. You think you can beat her? All right, let's see what you got. Oh! Hey, Janae, check it out. Hey, listen up. Hey, I think I got you on the cartwheel contest. Hey, you want a rematch? Come here. Hey, you guys want a rematch? Yeah. All right, let's do a rematch. Let's go. Janae, you going first this time.
Okay.
All right, let's get it.
This time I'm doing a round off.
All right, let's do it. This is round 2. Let's see what Janae got. Oh!
Don't try that.
Oh! Naya, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Okay, okay, okay. I think Janae got you on that one. You got 1, Janae got 1, okay? So we got to break the tie. This one, hey, come here. It's going to be a tiebreaker. And what you guys got to do is, you got to see who can do the best cartwheels consistently. All right? Over and over.
Okay.
All right, let's get it. The best cartwheels over and over. Let's get it, Janae. You think she's going to get you? She going to get you on this one? All right. Let's see what's up.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she took a step. All right, all right, all right. We got you. We got you. That was all right.
My shirt was coming untucked.
What's that?
My shirt was coming untucked.
Okay, is that your excuse?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right.
Can I retry that real quick?
You want to retry it again? Let me ask Naya if it's all right. Hey, Naya, over here, babe. Naya, Janae wants to know if she can retry that one. Oh, she said no retries. She said no retries. For the tiebreaker, let's do it, Naya. What's up, man? Get her, Naya, get her. Oh, you got more. I'm going to say you won that challenge, all right?
Yes, you did.
Good job.
Let's see. Who do you think won?
Oh, comment down below.
Yeah.
Okay, comment down below and let us know who you think won that cartwheel challenge.
Me?
Ooh. Hey, Naya, check it out. She's trying to tell them to comment down below to tell them who won that challenge. She's trying to tell them she won. What do you think about that?
I won, of course, because I did more cartwheels.
All right.
Bye.
rock is scary.
Whoa, cool.
So what you think, Naya? Good day? Today a good day?
Yeah.
Cool. It's always good to have a good day, right?
Yeah. Always at the beach.
You can't beat that, right? The beach, the park, the playground.
No.
You can't beat it.
What park?
We're at a park.
What?
What's wrong with your nose? Looks like your nose is running. Is your nose running?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what's Janae doing?
What the heck?
A few moments later.
Leave me! Oh my god, I'm going out.
Just like drinking water.
Oh, you're being... Dad!